History of Haniway. There are two stories about the name Haniway. It came from the names of two sons of Datu, named Han and Uway. It came from the words Hani meaning whisper and Uway meaning ratan combined together. Founding and history. 1578. The first settlers came from the coast established communities along the Swagi River. They were led families like Gamok, Utikon, Uganet, and Pagdakton. 1738, some leaders like Buawi accepted Spanish rule, while others like Dato Dumagtol fought and went to the mountains. 1752, it became an independent parish. 1769, it was officially created as a town. 1770, the town center was moved to its present location, was formerly named Haniway. Significant of people and local heroes. Early leaders, Datu Buhawi and Datu Dumagtol were important leaders during the early times. Father Miguel Carod, a Spanish priest who started building the famous Haniway Church in the 1800s. Maria Cadete, a well-known woman from Haniway who was respected for her knowledge in law and helped many people settle disputes before World War II. Local weavers and artisans, the people who keep the tradition of abaca weaving and the bamboo crafts alive are also considered important contributors in the town identity. Location Haniway is located about 33 kilometers northwest of Iloilo City. It is landlocked town land area. It has total area of 179.10 square kilometers. Topographic. The land is generally rolling and hilly, with two rivers, Swage and Magapa, passing through it. Population. According to 2024 census, there are 67,509 people living here. Livelihood. Most people work in agriculture. They plant rice, corn, sugarcane, and coconuts. They also raise animals like cows, goats, and chicken. Another important industry is weaving using abaca fiber. Flora and fauna. The area is rich in trees, bamboo, and various plants. Animals commonly seen area are carabao cows, goats, and different kinds of birds. Culture. Tultugan Festival. This is the main festival celebrated in July. It highlights the town culture and the use of bamboo kawayan. You will see dance, music, and props made entirely of bamboo, showing how important this plant is to their daily life and art. Lanot Festival celebrated every second week of December. This festival is dedicated to the abaca fiber. The festival aims to promote the abaca industry and showcase the different products made from such as bags, hats, slippers, and home decor. It also includes dance, dancing, culture, show, and trade fair.